Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com, and you're looking at a live trade right now, or a live trade hopefully about to happen right now. CAVM, we're on a 10-minute chart. I gave this trade out to members that get my daily gap trades each and every day. So I gave a level of $40.14 this morning, and you can see it peaking in the left hand bottom corner of the screen, $40.14. The line is right underneath where we are. So we made a low already, very close to that level. And what this does is, since we did have somewhat of a bounce off that low, it does diminish the trade a little bit, but I'm going to take it anyway. I'm going to get a lot of emails later about wasn't the trade off the table because the level came so close. And it's discretionary. Sometimes it's going to work anyway. Sometimes it's not, and that's going to be part of the reason why. There, I'm filled. Okay, good. All right, so I've got 1,000 shares of CAVM at $40.14. I'm long. So what I'm doing is I'm going to look for 35 cents. That was the range that was suggested in this morning's email that went out to members that get my daily gap trades each and every day from LazyGapTrader.com. And so I'm going to be looking for... I'm going to sell it at $40.49. So I'm putting an order in to sell at $40.49. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll watch the stock. Hopefully it'll bounce in short order, and then we'll be able to kind of talk through the trade. Well, it's starting to bounce already. That's great. So what I was saying was, when a level comes close, I teach in my course that it diminishes the probabilities if it bounces and has come close without piercing through or touching the line or touching the number that we identified. I teach how to get these numbers in my course. Although this was somewhat of a bonus number, I used other techniques to come up with this particular level, and that's one of the benefits of having my daily gap trades in the morning. I'm going to give you levels that you're going to be able to come up with on your own, but then you're also going to get some bonus levels on bonus stocks that you might otherwise not be able to identify on your own. It's not because I'm hiding anything. It's just because I know how to calculate different ways, different levels, using different methodologies, different strategies. And if I like it enough and it coincides with some other methods I use, then I'll be happy to trade the level. And it could be outside of the gap trading methodology that I teach, but nevertheless, doesn't mean it still can't work. I've been doing this for almost 25 years. I know a lot of stuff that I've seen work over the years, and I have experience. I know what works best. I know what doesn't work most of the time. And so that's what I try and pass on to my members. I try and teach them as much as I can. No question ever goes unanswered. We're looking for a bounce. We're in this trade now. It's been only a couple of minutes. Here we go. Let's get a bounce. We need 40.49 to get my 35 cents. And it looks like, well, there we go. I'm out. I even got a little bit better. So great. So I got a little bit better of a fill. We're out of the trade. The trade is over. And you can see the power of these levels. I teach you how to gap trade the morning gaps. And look at this, stock was down 16%. And we nailed a level just about to the penny, just a few pennies below it. Okay, and that's through my daily gap trades given out to my members who subscribe to my daily gap trade service each and every day. Come over to LazyGapTrader.com, see what we're all about over here. I teach two strategies, the morning gap trades and gap fill trades. Come check it out, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks, for a live trade of a morning gap trade CAVM. Thanks, everybody.